Today, we are going to learn how to list all variable names and their current values in Ubuntu. This is useful when you want to check the environment of your shell or debug a script. First, open your terminal. In most Ubuntu systems, the default shell is bash. To list all environment variables in bash, you can use the printenv command. Just type printenv and press enter. This will show a list of environment variables and their current values. Each line will have the name of the variable, followed by an equal sign and then the value. If you want to see both environment variables and shell variables, use the set command. Type set and press enter. This will list all variables, functions and settings that are currently active in your shell session. The output will be longer because it also includes variables you may have defined manually or through scripts. To make the output easier to read, you can combine set with less. Typeset vertical bar less and press enter. This lets you scroll through the list one screen at a time. Use the arrow keys to move and press Q to quit when you are done. If you only want to see variable names without values, you can use a different approach. Type compgen v and press enter. This command lists just the names of all shell variables. To check the value of a specific variable, use the echo command. For example, to see the value of the home variable, type echo $home and press enter. You can replace home with the name of any other variable. That's all you need to know to list variable names and values in Ubuntu.